Preparing for the Google Associate Cloud Engineer exam, success isn't about memorizing services, it's about being a hands-on operator. The official exam guide breaks the test into 4 key areas, but think of them as operator jobs, not just topics. First, setting up a cloud solution environment, which covers projects, billing, and the resource hierarchy. Second, planning and implementing a solution, deploying compute, storage, and networking. Third, ensuring successful operation through monitoring, logging, and backup. Finally, configuring access and security with IAM, service accounts, and network controls. This isn't a vocabulary test, it's a test of your practical cloud skills. Many candidates get lost trying to memorize an endless list of Google Cloud services. This is a trap. A better approach is to build your prep around tasks. Instead of just learning about Compute Engine, GKE, or Cloud Run, ask yourself, can I deploy an application? Can I expose it securely? Can I monitor its logs and performance? The exam tests your ability to solve problems using the tools, not just recite their names. This task-based mindset is the key to feeling prepared. To build these hands-on skills, follow a structured plan. This 6-week schedule focuses on one core area each week, combining lab work with focused review. Start with fundamentals like projects and IAM in week 1. Then move through compute, containers, storage, and networking. The final weeks are dedicated to operations, monitoring and logging, and pulling everything together with timed practice. This structured approach ensures you cover the breadth of the exam while building the muscle memory you need for real-world operator tasks. A surprising number of exam questions hinge on identity and access management, or IAM. This is where many candidates lose easy points. You must understand the difference between project-level and resource-level access, and how service accounts work. When a scenario question describes a workload failing to access a service, your first instinct should be to check the permissions. Is the API enabled? Is the correct IAM role bound to the correct identity at the right scope? Mastering these details is critical. Watching videos isn't enough. You need to perform the operator loop yourself. Create a disposable project. In it, create a service account with the least privilege necessary. Use it to deploy a simple workload, like a container on Cloud Run. Then, expose that workload securely, inspect its logs, and create a basic alerting policy. Finally, delete all the resources to avoid costs. Repeating this simple loop with different compute options builds the practical judgment that the exam is designed to test. When you use practice questions, don't just chase a high score. Treat them as a diagnostic tool. After each practice test, analyze your mistakes. Was it a content gap, a careless reading error, or a misunderstanding of the scenario? Tag each miss with a cause. This tells you exactly what to study next. A pattern of IAM mistakes means you need to go back to the IAM lab. A pattern of pacing issues means you need more timed drills. This targeted repair is far more effective than just rereading. You're ready for the Associate Cloud Engineer exam when you can operate confidently, not just recognize terms. Build your study plan around doing, diagnosing, and repairing. For the full 6-week plan, detailed guides on topics like IAM, and free, timed practice questions that will help you diagnose your weak areas, visit the full article on our site. Build the hands-on skills you need to pass.